Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Peacock network on Samsung Smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, first thing that you need to do is check to see if your Smart TV has an HDMI port or not. If your TV doesn't have an HDMI port, you won't be able to use Peacock TV. Now, if you have an HDMI port, simply connect your HDMI cable to your port and then connect that cable to the streaming device. So you can either have an Roku stick or an Amazon Fire stick and then connect it to it. And once you have connected your streaming device, the next thing to do is switch your streaming device to your main streaming device. So once you have switched it to main streaming device, you'll have an option to download Peacock. Now once you have downloaded the Peacock, open up the app, and then once you're inside, log into your account if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a new account and then you'll be able to use Peacock network. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.